Why the hell are you in my way? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Where is my brother Gold?
You want to see your brother? You little nitwit. You knew the implication of having something to do with my brother, yet you went ahead to have a relationship with him. You won't see your brother until you end whatever it is you have with Nonso. Mind the way you bang my doors, the car is quite expensive.
So is mine, Gold. Where is my brother? Just drew a line, Gold. Let the battle begin.
You have completed all your rituals. From now on, anything you lay your hands on shall prosper beyond your imagination. You will dine with men of timber and caliber.
You made mention of a sacrifice of flesh and blood. When do we provide them?
You don't need to provide it. It will come to you. When it's time for the sacrifice, any man you sleep with will have to die after 30 days. And when he dies, every good thing in his family becomes yours. And you will become richer and richer and richer.
Wise one, is there anything else you would want us to do?
Nothing more. Go and prosper. Go and enjoy your wealth in fullest.
Thank you, wise one. We are grateful to you. We forever appreciate this. Thank you.
Thank you.
One more thing before you go. You will dip your hand inside these pots, one after the other. Whatever you pick becomes your assignment. Proceed. You may now open it. What did you pick?
I will sleep on the floor for 3 months.
Huh.
I will not drive a car until after 3 months. I will bury one member of my family every 6 months. I will not live in my own house until after 7 years.
You? Huh? What did you pick?
Okay. None of my family members shall touch my money. None of them can get any monetary help from me. They can only eat or drink from my table.
You? What did you pick?
I will enjoy wealth and die at 35. I will sleep in my car for 2 weeks. No, 35. Wise one, please have mercy. Oh, is there something you can do about my own? It's very bad. Please help.
I am not the one that made it so. If you don't like it, drop it and leave. In 7 days, you shall be the richest in your communities. Your password is algebra.
No, as in, no way. Babe, this is not good now. Eh? This doesn't make sense. I mean, it's absolute nonsense. How are we supposed to make this whole money and then our family will not enjoy from it? You will not sleep in your own house.
I cannot even.
You will die.
I was sleeping in a hotel for 7 good years.
Yeah. Moreover, why is Silver?
That one. Do I know? Didn't I tell her that we're meeting here? I don't know where she went to. But you know this, that should not be our problem. Let's wait. Yeah. Let this money come first. You know, money has spirit. When the money comes, everything is possible.
Let the money come first because you'll be free to eat your own whenever you want to eat. Look at
Hello, girls. Excuse me, please. I'm looking for a road that will lead to Auckland Mills.
God, we don't know the place. We are new here.
Okay, please, can you just give me a direction that will lead me to the expressway?
Okay, say you deaf. No, you know they hear what again. I said we don't know the place.
Sorry, sorry.
Your cheap Lexus.
Good, leave this madness. What I'm saying is, if I tell you that I'm not angry, that means I'm lying. Because it's unfair. It's unfair.
Okay, now you understand what I'm talking about.
We sacrificed our womb.
Now you understand what I'm talking about.
That you cannot even enjoy.
I mean, you cannot enjoy yourself. So if my brother or my mother comes down to ask for money,
cannot give them money.
Give them money?
What will you even be telling them? You need to.
Hello, excuse me.
Okay, what is it now? Leave us alone. Leave us alone. We don't know anywhere.
What is your password?
What did you say, sir? Algebra. I wonder what is keeping Silver. Eh? How would she keep us here?
Maybe she's close.
I've been calling her since, and what she's been saying, I'm close, I'm close, I'm close. Eh?
She's here.
Where is she? Okay, go and turn round. I turn around like Baba Chia here. Who kept you now?
Immediately you called her, I started running.
I immediately came. Since she called you.
It's okay.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, sir. Don't change your mind.
Silver,
Sir?
you will go into jewelries and boutique services. In 1 week time, you will not be able to count your money.
That's too much money.
Thank you. The poverty don't show me shaggy. I don't ready.
It's okay. Rose,
Sir?
oil and gas will favor you.
Hey.
Number of days, the money will be everywhere.
Hey! Thank you. Rose Oil and Gas Limited. Rose Oil and Gas Limited. Billionaire. Oil and Gas Limited. Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you,
It's
sir.
okay. Good.
Sir?
Like your name implies. I will introduce you to 5 of my friends
Hey.
who are into diamond and
Gold Diamond Limited.
he's going to send a private jet to pick you up
Okay. She's going to.
in less than 7 days. You know what I'm saying?
Quiet. Make the enemies, they don't hear you. Sorry, sir.
Congratulations. Congratulations to all of us. We have made it. We have made it. Thank you, sir.
My G.
Thank you, sir.
My G.
Your G, no.
My G.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sorry, sir, cost your car,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Your car is very
Thank you, sir.
expensive.
Thank you, sir.
You cost it, huh?
I call her
Yes,
stupid.
sir, because I'm because our debt.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Never chop our money, make we not die. Billionaires go dey shout. Billionaires go dey shout. Oga, God bless you. Oga, God bless you. Motor wey go jam you, make you jam you.
No. We need to spend our money.
Okay, sorry. Motor no go jam any of us. You balance like billionaires. Balance like billionaires. Smile like billionaires.
Troubles of this world. I have gone through a lot in this life. I must get this money, whether good or bad. I have suffered enough.
Mama, has she picked?
Not yet, though.
That means first thing tomorrow morning, I have to go to the city. Somebody sent me her new house address.
Who built the house for?
Yeah, I had her ex-husband settled her with the big house and a very huge amount of money when he got married to another woman.
So her ex-husband gave her house and money.
And money, big money.
She did not tell anybody.
Well, Mama,
So she likes the suffering you're suffering now, isn't it?
I really don't. I can't say anything until I get to the city and confirm myself. Yes, let me get there. When I get to the city, I will know the reason she has decided to abandon us in the village.
Okay, I support you.
Okay.
Please go.
All right.
Let's know what is happening.
No problem. All right, Mama. So let me go and see Chuku also. All right. Good morning, good.
Morning. How did you find this place?
I went to your former place and I saw your caretaker. He was actually the one that directed me to this place, that you now live in this big house.
Sit down.
You sit down.
Sit down. How is Mama?
Mama is very, very sick. Seriously sick. And the name of the sickness is hunger. Hunger is killing Mama. Mama is about to die of hunger.
Go home. Tell Mama I'll send her some money next week.
Next week? Next week is too far now. Mama will die before next week now. Eh? I just know that Mama is seriously sick. She's dying. You're telling me next week. What will she? Mama does not even have one grain of gari to drink in the house. You're telling me next week. How will she survive till next week?
So now that you're shouting, where do you expect me to get money from? I just told you I don't have money. Did you not hear me? Where do you want me to get money from? On your way here, did you see any tree that grows money outside my gate? I don't have money. Ha!
Okay. All right, fine. Please, I need money for my projects and clearance. At least I have struggled. I have done everything possible to graduate. Just for me to do clearance and my projects. Please, I need money.
Are you really trying to get me upset? You just heard me say I don't have money to give to Mama. So am I supposed to go to a different bank to bring the money I'll give to you? I don't have any money with me. Go. Next month, I will send the money for your project.
Next month? Next month is so... See, we are doing our defense second week of next month. So if you give me money next month, you want me to have carryover? When will I do my clearance? When will I do the project?
So where do you want me to get the money from? No, I'm asking you, where do you want me to get the money from? See me see trouble, no? Okay, I don't have any money with me in the house. I will send the money for your project next month. If you're hungry, go into the kitchen. There's food there.
I did not come here to eat.
So
I did not come here to eat.
You came here to fight me? Or to beg for money? I don't have. There is food in the kitchen. Man, when you're ready, go inside and collect something to eat. I'm going out. People just keep stressing somebody. I've told you next week I'll send money to her and you're stressing me.
Good.
There is food in the kitchen.
House. The name is good. Everything in this house is good. She can came here to eat.
How do I go about this? It is almost useless.
You have completed all your rituals. From now on, anything you lay your hands on shall prosper beyond your imagination. You will dine with men of timber and caliber.
You made mention of a sacrifice of flesh and blood. When do we provide them?
You don't need to provide it. It will come to you. When it's time for the sacrifice, any man you sleep with will have to die after 30 days. And when he dies, every good thing in his family becomes yours. And you will become richer and richer and richer.
How long do I continue to do this to my only brother and poor mother? The money is useless without them enjoying it.
Hi, handsome.
Yeah, hi.
Where are you headed?
Actually, I have no direction. I was just strolling and thinking about life generally.
Oh, thinking about life. It's okay. Once in a while, we'll get in that mood. So why not just come into the car and let's, go sit somewhere cool and talk about everything that is bothering you.
Well, everything, bills and all, too many things on my head,
It's
thinking
fine.
about money.
I understand. Just hop in and we'll talk about it. Someplace cool.
Are you sure of that?
Yeah, we'll go just cool place. We'll sit to talk, have a drink. Yeah. Come in. Don't be shy. Come in. Oh, my old.
Girl, I can see you are glowing. Now tell us, what is the secret?
Wait. Girls, lest I forget, my baby's birthday is this Sunday. And it's gonna be a big party.
I can see someone has gotten her sacrificial lamb already.
How
Please.
fast and smart. Girl, you're dangerous. This girl is dangerous.
I said this girl, if he keep person no go know.
This is a gang up. Come on.
There is no gang up on this one, girl.
But listen, girls. My baby, he's so sweet. He's super smart. What kills me is the way he kisses me.
Hey, one
God, when? Just Coco finish yours. God, when?
my sister, calm down with your God winning. Take it easy. And for you, just remind us that our engines are rusting because we are not doing anything now.
I'm sorry, girl.
I need to see this baby. Gold, you need to see this baby.
You know, now the thing when they talk small. Of course, we must see the baby now. We will see the baby.
This baby, girl. You need to meet him. Trust me. You just need to. You know what? Till you meet him. But I'm super sad because I want to be with him forever. I never ever want to leave him.
Well, unfortunately, you have to. Mind you, another one is going to come. You see this one, you call him baby. The next one coming, you are going to call him Zaddy.
I don't want another one. I think I'm in love.
My sister, there is no love in this game. Oh. Don't go and waste your love. Don't be a waste one name. Don't be a waste. Don't waste your love.
Not forever, please.
Yeah, but let's just allow you to enjoy the moment.
Of course, I have to I'm going to enjoy it over and over again. And girl, this wine is super tasty.
Just you, enjoyment.
Come and be longer, make money, cause see their money longer. Pepsi, Jikwa, Kashi, Mere, You must fear them, I will love you. You go see them when they are spending money. You must feel them.
No, so
6.
you're going out.
Oh, yes.
Where exactly are you going?
I am going to see a friend.
You are going to see it. Wait a minute, Noso. Is that an iPhone?
Oh, yes. Just exactly like
Where
yours.
did you get an iPhone from? Noso, how did you get the phone?
Yeah, a friend actually bought it for me.
What type of friend buys you an iPhone? Do you know how much that phone cost? Noso, hope you haven't joined those boys who go around stealing phones from people's pockets. They will set you ablaze in this town.
Hey, come on, sis. You don't think I can do that? Anyways, a very close friend of mine actually bought it for me. And you know what she said to me? She said, this is a pre-birthday gift.
A she?
Yes, a she.
A woman bought this phone for you.
Sis, let's leave that for another day, okay? I'll see you on Monday, okay? Take care of yourself.
The woman buys him an iPhone. He's going out on a Friday and he's not going to be back until on Monday. So you mean you don't like this one?
No.
Which one?
I like this one. That's it.
Haba, Rose. This is old-fashioned now. This is an old design.
No, you don't get the point. This is beautiful. See how it looks on you.
I beg. The last time you came to my house, you remember the dress I showed you, right?
Yes.
Do you know this girl is saying I should wear the old version of that dress?
Oh, no way. That dress is outdated.
Thank you!
Fina, you don't understand me. Look, see how beautiful it looks on her now.
It's old fashioned.
Yes, so she's telling me to take the old
Hello, everyone. Our hosts. I can see you all are having fun.
Anyway, I want to say thank you once more for honoring my invitation.
Where is our baby boo? I want to see him. Where is he?
He's upstairs. He's dressing up.
Upstairs.
Dressing up.
Come on.
Silver.
Yes.
I don't trust you. See how you talk about those guys. Upstairs is dressing up.
And how long does it take a man to dress up? Or have you been dressing up?
No. Somebody's son.
And I'm someone's daughter.
Stop, they play.
They play. You know what, girls? This guy has the keys, the access codes, the password to my body.
Sorry, oh.
That's falling in love, you know.
Anyway, okay, guys, whatever you need to eat and drink is available. So come on, feel free, enjoy.
Yeah.
Come on, have fun.
That's why we are here, to party.
Party, you should. Girls.
Let's be together.
Girls, I have fallen in love with this guy. But I don't know if it will make any sense taking him to the temple to use his sacrifice.
But when you open your eyes, which one is taking him to the temple and using him for sacrifice? Of course, that is exactly what you need to do. No, listen, girl. You do this and you get to divert every riches of his from his generation to his 5th generation to you. Moreover, some other guys are going to come into play. You are going to fall in love again. So, listen, guys will fall at your feet when they see money. More guys are coming. Leave this one.
Well, as for me, I am currently dating 2 baby boys. And I know from next month, I'll be using their stars to enrich myself. So, I would advise you enjoy this guy. This guy that you're beginning to fall in love with. Just enjoy him till we are ready for the sacrifice.
Very true. It's easier said than done.
Well, take my advice or not. You just have to enjoy this guy. Enjoy him because you have just you have just a year to live. So enjoy him and spend your money. I'm sorry, but that's the truth. Enjoy him. Live love. Don't go and fall stupidly in love. It won't help you.
I love him.
Hey! By the way, who owns that car?
Oh, they enter my eyes.
Decorated and very nice car too.
Yeah, I bought it for him. One of the many gifts.
Oh, this girl don't fall in love. She needs paracetamol.
Yeah.
Hey,
sorry.
Hey, just wait. Let me laugh in Chinese. What, my darling? You bought a car for the guy.
Come on, Gold. You need to see this guy. He's a breath of fresh air.
My sister, calm down. Which one be fine? An assistant Jesus? Take am easy, my dear. I tell you, no matter how fine a ram is, they go still use am do sacrifice.
Simple.
Come on, Aboki, they use ram do suya.
Simple.
Yeah?
Love
Hey. Nico, let's go and enjoy this party. Meanwhile,
Let me get him. I need to present the gift. Come on.
Okay. I have an important call to make. I need to get my phone.
No, I need to finish my glass of wine.
Who is dragging with you? Why, my girl?
Run away, run on, one man, run away from her. Run as fast as you can run, 'cause she's not what you think she is.
Baby,
Yeah, baby.
you ain't ready?
I'm just getting ready. Almost.
Okay.
My shoes.
Come
on. You look hot.
You want me to help you with anything? Come on, stop it. Would you like me to help you with anything?
No. You know I don't like stressing you.
Stress me all you want. It's your day.
Really?
Yes, you're entitled.
Don't worry, I will stress you when we finally get there. Not now.
Okay.
Not now.
Hurry up.
Okay, I'm almost there. Just want to look good for you today. Very good. Oh.
Why don't you speak it?
Oh, it's my sister.
Then take the call.
Hey, I don't want anybody to ruin my day.
Maybe just take your call. You know what? Invite her over. You know, it's your day. Come on. The more the merrier. Okay?
Are you sure of that?
100%.
Run away, run on, one man, run away from her.
Where are you? When I ask you a question, you give me an answer. Where are you? Listen, just take a cab. Give him the phone and I'll give him direction as to where to bring you to. What in God's name is wrong with you? Just give him the phone, I will give him direction. Alright, I'm waiting.
Don't make yourself a sacrifice. Don't make yourself a sacrifice. I love you.
Here comes the birthday boy.
Oh. Real?
Yes, please. Come
Okay.
on. Gentlemen and ladies, meet my heartthrob, my diamond, my baby boo.
Hello, guys. You're welcome.
You are indeed handsome.
Oh.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Thank you all for coming to celebrate.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
I'm overwhelmed. I just have to take this off. Come on, I don't know what to say.
Come on. What can I do without you? See, to be honest, all my life, no one has ever celebrated me like this. You're everything to me. I bless God the day I met you.
I am more blessed to meet you. Come on, babe. You are a king and you deserve everything that is here. This and many more, right?
I feel like she's tears.
Aww, say something. Say something. Okay, you know what? Today is your day. Yeah. So I want you to mention anything at all, and I'll get it for you. Whatever. Go.
Anything she
It's a blank
said.
check. Come on. Anything.
What else do I need if not you? I have you. I'm enough. You're everything to me. You're all I want. Oh, come on. You make it. Thank you.
Oh, baby.
Thank you.
Okay. That being said, I have one more surprise for you.
Again?
Yes, come on, babe. It's outside.
Just finish me.
Oh, you know what? A blindfold. Yes.
Oh, for
Yes.
real?
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
Okay.
Close that. No picking. Okay. Okay. So guys, we're coming back. Yes. Let's go. I don't want you to pick.
Two in one.
What's that?
I love it. Please, I don't want to fall.
No, you won't.
Today is my big day.
Come on.
I hope somebody's not going to say it.
Take a look at this beautiful.
Noso, what are you doing here?
Baby.
Hey!
Sorry, you know him?
Wait. Silver.
Yes?
Is this the same guy you've been telling us about?
Of course. This is my baby.
No, so. Silver, this must be some sort of joke. Silver, this is my brother.
What?
Yes! You know what? Lonso, let's go.
What is it? Say please, I beg you in the name of God, please do not ruin my day. Today is my birthday. Okay? Meaning what? Hey, you think I'm still that little boy you can control? So listen, I'm an adult for crying out loud.
This is not a joke. You need to leave this place with me. This.
Or what? But tell me, what will you do?
Silver, so this is it. This is your plan? How could you be this wicked and heartless?
Can you stop this already? What's this?
Can you please calm down, Gold?
Shut up. That's the only thing you know. I do not want to hear. Calm down. Also, you need to leave this place with me this way.
See, respecting you, respect yourself. Don't.
Silver. I need to have a word with you.
No.
Now.
No.
So, please. Go. You better get your phone. Go. Can we go and go?
The key.
Happy birthday. The car will come. Thank you.
Silva, what is the meaning of this? Why are you doing this? I brought you into the sisterhood. Now you want to take my brother? You want me to go wretched?
How would I know he's your brother? No, does he have your surname tattooed on top of his head? Tell me.
Silva, you cannot do this. If you have anything to do with my brother and he dies, I will go wretched. Can't you even think about it?
Go. I didn't know he was your brother. But now it's too late. There's nothing I can do.
No, of course there is something you can do. You have to stop whatever emotions you have brooding in you and let my brother go.
Go. It's too late. I can't. I'm sorry. And if you're not comfortable being here, you can as well leave. Please, don't ruin this.
Silva! 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 Silva!
Pardon that rude interruption, guys. I'm sorry. Do you like the car?
Of course, I love it. I love the color. It's thank you very much. Thank you.
Can you two just stop this nonsense? What is the meaning of this? Nonso? Nonso? Get yourself into the car this minute. We are leaving here now. Let's...
Listen, I have respected you enough. Okay? Come on. Did we come here together? No. Who invited you? Nobody. See, listen, please, don't get me angry. Okay? Moreover, it's my birthday and I didn't invite you. So please go! Go!
Gold, can you just calm down, please? Rose, please, that is the last thing I want to hear this minute. Don't ask me to calm down. You know the implication of... Of course I know. I do. I don't think you stand here asking me to calm down. How is that even possible? Please tell this idiot to let my brother go, else I will do something really nasty to her now.
You will do something nasty to who, Gold? I don't get it. Is it because I've been quiet, you're here just ranting and ranting? What's the meaning of this, Gold? No. Listen to me. If you get angry, I will ask you to leave this place. And if I get angry, I will ask you to leave this place. Your pick. Choose one.
Can you two just stop acting like kids? We can settle this after the birthday. Just calm down.
You have just pulled the tiger's tail. I will deal with you mercilessly.
Bring it on, girl. Bring it on!
That's enough.
What are you waiting for? You want to deal with me? We're standing right here, so bring it on!
That's enough. Enough of this. I'm getting tired already. We're here for the birthday. Let's have this party and leave.
Silva. Nonso, move this minute before I move you. Nonso, I will move you from this place if you don't move right now. Move.
Nonso, can you just go with your sister? Else this birthday will get messier.
Who? As my advisor or what? Huh? You tell me. Come on, I can't remember giving you invitation to come to my birthday party. Come on, you can go. Stop constituting nuisance. Of course, that is what you're doing.
Yep. Do you want to go with her?
Why will I go with her? Huh? Come on. We're here to celebrate. Okay, you know what? Since they don't want us to celebrate outside, why don't we just go inside?
Of course, we
and
should.
continue the party?
Yes.
We should. Come on, give.
Listen to me. If you think you are going to leave this place with my brother, you have something else coming for you.
Baby, you know what? Just go inside. I'll come back in. Okay?
Alright, you say so.
Of course, baby. I say so.
I'm waiting for you.
Of course, baby.
Stay. Can we all calm down? Please?
Silver, my venom no good. If I bite you, Silver, my venom no good. No try me.
Go. I spew venoms too. Of course I'm a viper. And guess what my hobby is? Biting.
Laugh all you want. We shall see.
Your end, Gold! Your end! Get out of my house! I rescind the invitation! Get out of my house! Get the hell out! Don't tell me that. I don't want to talk to you. Whose side are you on? Talk to me. Whose side are you on?
It's so unbelievable.
Really?
Yes.
Really? You can't even pick a side. What kind of friend are you? Get out of my house, both of you! You're not welcome here anymore.
Best friend.
Gold! Get the hell out!
A tonto was telling me, oh, this is serious. There is fire. There is fire. There is fire. There is fire. We need to war. When two elephants fight, the grass goes suffer. When two elephants fight, the grass goes suffer.
Gold, hold on.
Get out of this place.
Go!
I know what you know. Are we fighting with last blood? You have trespassed. I know what you know.
Rose, I am trying so hard to calm myself down. I am trying so hard to pull myself together. Why would Silver be this wicked? A little nitwit that I brought into the sisterhood has the guts to brew my own brother for sacrifice. Really?
Gold, it is not too late to take this issue to the temple. Don't you think so?
Wait a minute. Rose, you knew about this and you said nothing till this time?
No, please. Don't get me involved, alright?
No, I will get you involved.
No, because I don't know who your brother is.
Okay, that's fine. But you see, Silver, you see that girl? I will bring her down. I will bring every member of her family, her brothers, her sisters, uncles, relatives, children yet unborn, even her ancestors. I will bring them together and set them ablaze. I am not joking about it.
Can you just calm down and listen?
Don't ask me to calm down.
There is a solution to this. Trust me. This has a solution.
Okay. I'm listening. Go ahead.
Okay. How about... Fine. How about you pay Silver off so that this whole matter can die down? How about that?
I'm blessed the day I met you. All I just have to say, all I keep saying is thank you, Jesus, for bringing you my way. Babe, so listen, you won't understand. All my life, I have been swimming in poverty until you came into my life. Come on, look at me. Today is my birthday. Look at the wonderful gift. Look at the celebration. No one has ever in my entire life giving me this kind of surprise. Look at, come on, I know we're designers. I have a brand new car. Come on, what? See, just thank you.
Come on.
Thank you for coming into my life. Thank you for showing me so much love.
You don't have to thank me. And you deserve everything you're getting. I want to take care of you. I really want to make you happy.
Thank you.
But
what?
I'm scared you might just leave me someday.
Don't even why? I won't even think of you. Babe, come on, don't even say that again. What have you done? The only bad thing you have done is show me love. Take care of me. You have given me what no one has ever given me. I have a wealthy sister. The only thing she has ever given me is a plate of noodles. Not even a boxer. Babe, listen. It is us or no one else. Us till the end of time.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
I just hope your sister will not poison your mind against me someday.
Please don't even think of it. Don't ever say that again, okay? So listen, I told you she has no influence. She can't even talk me into anything.
It's okay, baby. Come here. Come on.
Run away, run on, one them, run away from her. Run as fast as you can run, 'cause she's not what you think she is. She's not what you think she is. She's evil. She's dangerous. Don't make yourself her sacrifice. Forget about the love. Don't make yourself her sacrifice. Run on. Don't make yourself her sacrifice. I love you so much. Don't make yourself her sacrifice. Don't make yourself her sacrifice. Don't make yourself her sacrifice.
Why were you sleeping inside the car?
Baby, it was hot inside and I just went outside to get some fresh air, clear my head, and I don't know, I just fell asleep inside the car.
Hot inside? Why I was freezing inside that same room?
Baby, okay, you got me. I was just running away from my smoking addiction.
Hey, now you're talking.
I'm sorry.
Hope you're good.
Sorry, I'm fine. So tell me, are we still going to see your mom today?
Why?
I just want you to know that I'm serious about us.
Oh, yes, I am even more serious. But don't you think we should wait till after my youth service?
No, babe. I just want us to get everything started right now.
I know you want to have me to yourself. And that is what I want also. But at the same time,
Can I have a word with you?
What do you want us to talk about?
Can he excuse us?
Baby, if you want to stay, you can. You don't have to go anywhere. Do you want to stay?
I don't want to be around bad energy, so probably I should just...
Does it mean you did not see me also?
I'm all ears, Gold.
I'm willing to give you 10 million naira to stay away from my brother.
Who the hell do you think you are, Gold? I know you have some microfinance banks. I know you made some money from your illegal gold deal in South Sudan, and you recently became a billionaire, so I understand. But who the hell do you think I am? The love I have for your brother is priceless.
You don't love him. You and I know you have no atom of love for my brother. You want his star. You want to enrich yourself and bring my whole family down. What is wrong with you, sir?
Did you come here to shout at me?
No, I came to have a talk with you. 15 million naira, silver.
What if I give you 20 million naira for you to get off my couch and use the door?
Silver, this rough play where you play, you no go like how. You won't like the end of this drama.
I don't care. Gold. You think I'm that girl you used to know? I don't care what you think, but if that's what you're thinking, at this rate, you need to get your head examined.
Oh, Salobwa. You now talk back at me.
Have a nice day, Gold. It's too early in the day, please. My baby is inside waiting for me.
Okay. I'll leave you so you go meet your baby. This is war. And you and your baby won't survive it.
And that baby happens to be your baby brother. Gold. Your brother.
Best friends, a tonto was telling me, oh, this is serious. There is fire, there is fire.
How did it go? Did she accept?
Accept what? Silver had the guts to look at me in the face and told me, Gold, raw gold, to leave her house. As if that was not enough, she offered me the sum of 20 million naira to have my brother, or would I say, ruin his life.
Gold, I think this will be settled in the temple.
How now? What if we can't settle this in the temple? What happens?
It will be settled in the temple, trust me.
Babes, calm down, oh. No, I need to get to the root of the matter. I want to know who Silver be. I want to know the amount of money she has that gave her the guts, the effrontery, the impetus to talk to me. Me will carry her enter the sisterhood. She opened mouths, they yarn nonsense. Ha! Forget it. Me, I will deal with her.
Gold, you need to calm down. Trust me, you don't have to be angry here. All we have to do is to take this matter to the temple and it will be settled.
You know what they bless me for where you did? You two, they speak English. And when they speak English, they talk nonsense. Which one is we have to calm down? We have to say, I just told you that nitwit walked me out of her house and offered me 20 million. How much is my cheers? She's offering me 20 million to do what? You didn't make I come. See, Benuson, don't make me vex. Allow me handle this my way.
No vex.
best friends turn to worst enemy. This is serious. There is fire. There is fire.
If this continues, I am doomed.
There is fire. We need to war.
You have completed all your rituals. From now on, anything you lay your hands on shall prosper beyond your imagination. You will dine with men of timber and caliber.
You made mention of a sacrifice of flesh and blood. When do we provide them?
You don't need to provide it. It will come to you. When it's time for the sacrifice, any man you sleep with will have to die after 30 days. And when he dies, every good thing in his family becomes yours. And you will become richer and richer and richer.
How do I go about this? I think I have to close her page. By doing so, I will free my brother and my wealth from this coming doom.
The grass will suffer. Run away. Run on, one them, run away from her. Run as fast as you can run, cause she's not what you think.
Mama! And what is it? It's not so?
Good day, ma. What is good about the afternoon?
Mama, answer our greetings first.
What is good about it? Chukwunoso, what is happening? Whose car is this? Is it your sister's car?
Which sister? Will my sister ever allow me to touch her car? Eh? Mama, this car belongs to me.
The car belongs to you, Chukwunoso.
What is car with my own money?
Come. Tell me, where did you get money to buy a car? If you have bought this car with even money, take it out of my compound. You have not even done with school and you have joined Yahoo boys.
Mama, be calming down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Shut up and allow me to talk. Okay. Oh, do you think I am one of those mothers that will embrace you when you come back with a car you bought with stolen money? So do you think that?
Mama, listen. You trained me very well. I am still that good boy you trained, okay? I didn't steal anybody's money. I didn't buy this car with the stolen money.
Okay, if you did not steal any money to buy this car, then tell me how this car...
This is the right question, okay? So Mama, relax. I will tell you everything. We have a lot to talk about, okay?
So tell me how you get in the car now.
Mama, that's what I'm saying now. Relax. I'm not running. I'm still here. I will tell you what you want to see. Relax, okay?
Okay.
Meanwhile, for the meantime, you need to come and see my friend. She's inside the car.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, sit down, Mama. First of all. Yep. Mama, let me introduce my friend to you. Come on, relax. Come close to Mama. Mama.
My son.
Meet my friend, Silva.
Good day, ma.
Good day, my sweetheart. How are you?
Hi, ma.
Come on, sit down.
Come on, sit down. Mama says,
sit down.
Sit down. We know how to accommodate people in our family.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. You know, you accused me a few minutes ago of stealing money to buy this car. This is the person behind it, Mama. She's behind this car, Mama. This same person you're seeing is behind this good look. Mama, she gave me money to clear all my outstanding fees in school. She gave me money to do my project. She gave me money for everything I needed in school.
Hey! Yeah, my daughter.
Ma.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much.
It's okay, ma.
My God will bless you.
Amen.
And what do? Are you in school?
No, I'm not a student. I graduated a long time ago, and I'm managing my father's chains of businesses since he passed.
Oh, yeah, chai. I am very sorry about your father's death. Oh,
it's okay, ma.
Don't worry, just relax. Relax.
Yeah, Mama, we got some things, but you know what's up. Mama, you know now. This, your son is not a big boy. Mama, hold it.
Huh?
Don't be scared now. It's money. It's just money. Mama, hold it now. From us.
Yeah.
From us.
Hey. My daughter.
Mama.
You know what? This my Father in heaven will bless you in this your life.
Amen.
And in your next life to come.
Amen.
Chukunoso,
Hey, Mama.
let me just quickly prepare something for both of you to eat.
Right.
Oh?
You don't have to stress yourself.
Why now?
No.
Why would I? Let me prepare something for you to eat, yeah?
Mama, let's go. I'll help you out.
You're welcome.
All right. Just relax, okay? Mama.
Okay.
Do you want water?
No, I'm fine.
You know this is not city. We don't.
I know.
Run away. Run on.
Wise one, I have begged her. I have tried to negotiate with her. There is nothing I haven't said to her. But she's refused to listen to me.
Good. You are being an obstacle to a sister. Whose brother do you want her to use for the sacrifice? Mine?
Mother, this is my only brother we are talking about. Moreover, if she uses him, I will be wretched for life. My 7th generation will be wretched.
Why will you worry about your 7th generation? Let them fix their lives when they come. After all, your forefathers did nothing for you, did they?
Queen Mother, I love him so much. He's the only brother I have. I don't want anything to happen to him. I don't want to be wretched either.
Then use your wisdom. There is no case.
Mama, thank you so much for the food.
You're welcome, my dear.
I prepared it too. Mama, you didn't tell her.
Shut up. You know how to boil hot water.
Mama, well, you've raised such a steady young man. And I've come to see you formally because of Nonso. We're in love. And I don't want you to worry about anything because I've mapped out a place for him to work after he graduates from school.
Thank you very much, my daughter. Thank you.
It's okay, Mama. And please, from today, I want you to adopt me as your daughter. Henceforth, anything money can buy, just ask me and I'll do it for you. You don't have to worry yourself about anything.
You're already my daughter. I am so sorry to say this. This is the first time I feel like I have a daughter. I have a wealthy daughter, but she doesn't take care of me.
It's okay, Mama. All that is in the past. I am here now to take care of you. You have nothing to worry about.
We are here.
Of course, we are here to take care of you. And Mama, okay, I've instructed my accountant to send some money across to you. Okay, so next week I'll bring some food stuff for you because we're in a hurry, we couldn't bring them. So we'll bring the food stuff next week and probably give you some more money.
Fine.
Because I want you to be happy, I want you to be healthy, and I want you to be very well.
My daughter, this is too much now. Again? Che, thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mama.
I'm very grateful.
You're welcome,
very
Mama.
happy.
It's okay. Well, Mama, I actually have a board meeting to attend.
Okay.
Yes. So, like I said, we'll see you next week. Okay? Let's just run along.
Yeah. Mama, don't worry. Okay, you see this house now. Very soon this house will be boys' quarter. Yes, I will put the real mansion here. The real house.
Oh, goodness.
Graduates. You have to take care of yourself.
All right. Take good care of us.
Bye-bye.
Bye. God, thank you. Thank you, God. Hey! So more.
Mama.
I like it here. Oh, I forgot my father give me. Any legit, yeah?
Mama, don't go and use money to buy stuff.
No, I
buy
can't.
food stuff.
I
not
can't.
Stuff.
No, I can't.
All right. Very good.
Easy.
Men, we do as this. Don't anybody.
No, now. Bye-bye, no. Hi. This one is watermelon. Oh, this girl is too beautiful. Gorgeous. Hi. So chap.
That is Jesus, man. Hey, now I'm not holding you, please.
It's not joke. You are doing passion. This is a joke. This is.
I hope you didn't bring these guys here to fight me because I have my men stationed outside. I'm ready to take them down.
You know I don't fight. I'm here to have a talk with you, like a sister.
Well, as you can see, my baby and I were relaxing and we're busy.
No, so excuse us.
Why would I do that? No, give me reasons why. Why would I excuse you?
Shame the Chris. No, so Puagwala. Are you mad? You are talking to me in that
Gold! Did you come here to threaten my fiancé?
Did you hear that? Wait a minute. You're what?
The last time I checked, Gold, you're not deaf, so...
Of course.
Monso, get out of this place.
Sir?
Hello, Dikeh.
What? What happened to him? It's alright. Hold on. I am coming. Yes. Yes, I'm on my way. I am coming.
Yes, I am safe. You're here. It's okay.
In case of anything, just call back.
Of course.
We have to protect.
Sure thing.
This can you
Oh. You can go, you can go. No, it's okay like this. Yes.
Please hurry up so you come inside.
I'll be right there.
Let me walk on you.
So, who are these guys?
I like that question. Cute, handsome, charming young men. They are sex and body therapists.
Oh, go. If you needed a private section with them, why bring them to this place? Why not just do it at your place instead?
I know what you want. These young men are exactly what you need right now. I can pay them for a year to service you. Keep you busy so you can leave my brother alone.
If I wanted them, then I would have just gone to get them myself. Besides, I have a brother for that too.
Whew! Silva, I'll give you 25 million naira so you can stay away from my brother.
I thought you were smart. How much do you think you have that I don't?
25 million naira?
I wouldn't trade anything for nonso.
50 million naira.
God, it's like you're not listening to me. Why would I want to trade my love for this?
Silva, what exactly have I done to you? I brought you into the sisterhood. I have been there for you morning, noon, and night. Why do you want to ruin me? Why?
Go. Can you take this idiot out of this place?
Move me. Okay.
Okay.
Silva. Little Silva. Little Silva.
Get out! Get out! Now, get out! And for you, Gold, if you ever bring those miscreants to this place again, you will live with your cops instead.
I'll give you 100 million.
Gold, get out of my house now. Get the hell out of my house. Please.
Have a beautiful day, Silva.
I always have beautiful days, Gold.
Best friends.
With your brother.
A tonto was telling me, oh, this is serious.
He offered her 100 million naira and she turned it down?
You know, if she had only rejected the money without even spitting those nonsense from her mouth, I won't be this upset. This idiot spoke to me like I am her apprentice. She even threatened to shoot those guys. Imagine Silva. Silva when they born yesterday. When are they look when they buffer? Ha!
I think I have to go and talk to her. This is going beyond what I thought.
You need to talk to her. Talk to her while I make the plan.
I just have to go. Trust. Silva, you are not good at all. Just need to.
What kind of sister are you? Huh? I called you yesterday on phone that we lost Papa and you said you were coming. We waited the whole day for you. You didn't come. And you couldn't return the calls.
He came. I fell into depression. It is not easy for me. You know how much I love Papa. It's not
Don't
easy
tell
for
me
me at
that.
all.
See, everybody's waiting for you in the village.
Just bury Papa. Oh?
I should just bury him like that without funeral, right?
No, I didn't say that. I will send you money so you buy coffin and bury Papa. Oh?
My mind is telling me something. I think there's something fishy somewhere.
You are just saying rubbish.
And where do you think you're going? You're not going anywhere. See, you must follow me to the village to see his corpse. You need to come with me now.
Ike, get out of this house. In fact, leave my way, alright? I will come to the village later. Just go ahead and bury Papa.
See, you're not going anywhere. You must follow me to the village to see his corpse. I mean, you're Papa's first daughter. And you must see his corpse. We can't just bury him like that like a fowl.
But you did not tell me that I will not see the corpse of any member of my family that dies. You only said that one member of my family would die in every 6 months.
Now you know. Make no mistakes if you do not want to die.
Ike, leave my way right now.
Mba, you're not
Ike,
going
leave
anywhere.
my way! What is your problem?
I mean, what stops you from following me to the village now? Huh?
Ike, are you not Papa's first son? You are in the right position to choose where Papa will be buried, and not me.
You're not going anywhere. You must come with me to the village now.
I am not going to the village. I will send money for you to bury Papa. That is what I will do.
Mba.
I am not going to that village.
You're not going anywhere.
My friend, come on, get out of... Oh, you're touching me. Ike, you touched me. Try it again.
You're not going
Get out.
anywhere. What is it now? This is your father we are talking about now. Let's go to the village. What stopped you to follow me to the village now to see his corpse?
Ike, calm down. Calm down. He's our father. So you don't have to be angry. Just go to the village. Prepare for the funeral while I get things done from here. I will come to the village. You need me to come to the village. I will come.
You must come with me to the village now. You're not going anywhere from this house. This is your father we are talking about here now. You're not going.
Ike!
I will not... You're not going anywhere. What is this now? You're not going anywhere.
Why are you following me? Ikem, why are you following me?
So it is true. It is true that you use Papa for money ritual, right?
No. Ikem, respect yourself. Watch your tongue. Ikem.
Ritualists. Sister, you.
If you don't stop right now, I will call the police on you to bundle you away from me.
Story. See, you follow me to the village though. You must come with me today. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. You must come with me to the village.
Ikem, I am not your mate. I am not your... Don't even lay your hands on me again.
Lie. You must come with me to the village.
Hey, please stop that nonsense. Honey, please, I'm sorry. Please, it was my mother. You know I love you. Please forgive me.
Nemesis has caught up with you. I will use you as the sacrificial actor. Oh, you want me back because you heard I bought the house you live in, right?
No. Far from that. I love you and I want you back.
Is it because I'm not the poor girl you used to know? That's why you're suddenly in love with me. Rose. No, what happened to the girl you spent millions on?
Rose.
Chima, what happened to the... Where is my money?
Far from that. I'm not poor either. I've made it in life. Look at me. This is one of my cars. I love you, baby. Please.
Really?
Yes. We can start from somewhere.
I don't have time for this. You! And you...
Where are you going now? What is that now? Come, yeah, I don't like this, you know. Stop, where are you going now? Let's go to the village now.
I want you people to deal with her. Torture her until she dies slowly.
Now we be Dodo. Dodo the deliver. If that's all you want, consider it done.
Done. It's a done deal, madam.
Good. Have that. Pause. You may go. And sit and watch her make me go Richard. She will.
So, who are those guys?
You decided to connive with my enemies. To fight me. How beautiful, coming from my brother.
Well, I haven't come here to banter words with you, okay? I came here to pick up my things.
Sit. We need to talk.
What are we talking about? We are not going to talk about anything until you give me a tangible reason why I should leave Sylvia.
Listen to me now, son. Sylvia is not good for you. Why would I want to ruin your happiness? That girl is fetish. She is dangerous.
Really?
Yes, really. I know her in and out. I practically grew up with this girl. She is my friend. No, so I don't want anything to happen to you.
Oh, my lovely sister. She doesn't want anything to happen to her brother.
Oh. In your head, you think I am joking? What sort of sarcasm is that?
Because I haven't seen a dangerous woman who could do things that my own blood sister couldn't do for me. Hey, come on. Do you know what that girl has done for me? She made me a billionaire. She taught me things no one could teach me. And above all, she loves me wholeheartedly. Come on, what have you done for me as a sister? A plate of noodles.
And in your head, you cannot sit to think or even calculate why this woman is doing these things for you. Of course, she's been doing this whole thing just to draw you closer so she can ruin you. Can't you think, for goodness sake? What woman in her status or position would stoop so low as to having something to do with a pauper like you, all in the name of love? Where does that happen?
That is the problem. Yes. You think everybody's like you? Since you made money, everything about you changed. But you know what? I would rather die in her arm than being the pauper. Yes!
Well, listen to me, Naso. You are going to stay back in this house for the next 1 month.
Don't watch me squash the shit.
No, sir! No! Like I said, you would not step an inch from this house. And that is my word.
I know what you're capable of doing. So I came prepared. Give me the phone.
Like I look like a kid to you? You want to get the phone from me? Don't even come to me the phone. None. One step and I will cripple those stupid legs of yours. Move back in.
Think I'm scared of you? You don't know who your brother is. I went to the university to learn. I went through school. I passed through everything in the university. And the university also passed through me. I'm not scared of you.
No, son! Jesus Christ. Silver, damn you! Damn you, Silver! Fuck.
What is happening? Move her inside.
Take me back to my car now.
Yeah, sorry. Dodo, please. Let's take her back immediately. Sorry. Let's take her back immediately.
His phone for almost 30 minutes without taking his calls. For goodness sake, it is called a handset and not a landline. This one is hopeless. It's just completely worthless.
Who sent you?
We don't know, ma. We can't make sure her name.
Exactly. Please, we are sorry. We promise never to come your way again. Just let us go, please. 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 Yes, please.
Now keep slapping yourselves. I said slap yourselves.
So Gold has decided to take this to another dimension. I will not sit back and watch her. No, I can't keep silent.
Babe, what is going on?
It's nothing.
You can't tell me it's nothing and you're raving.
It's just a business loss.
Babe, I know you too well. I know something is wrong. Please, talk to me, okay?
I have to do something that will hurt her so much.
Hey, come on. What is the problem? Have I done anything wrong? If I've done anything, at least you should tell me. I will apologize.
Babe.
Run away. Run on. One them. Run away from.
And why in God's name are you two looking like idiots? Dodo, I have been calling you for several hours. Why didn't you pick up your calls?
Boss, something terrible happened. Something my eyes have never seen before.
What nonsense are you talking about? Did you kill her or not?
Boss, we escaped. That lady is something else. She has jazz. We lifted her up, but to bring her down is a problem for us.
What nonsense are you saying? You lifted her up and she refused to come down as what? Holy Communion? Are you sick in your head or something? What nonsense are you two saying?
Sorry, madam, but the thing is that we've been slapping ourselves for over 3 hours now. Look at our faces.
Oh, you say you have bodyguards, you have people to carry out jobs for you. Just this little thing I asked you to do, you couldn't get it done. You stand in my face to tell me that she escaped. You bloody nitwit, hollow boy, sets of hooligans.
Sorry, madam.
Sorry for
I'm
your
sorry.
silly self.
That lady is something else.
Get the hell out
I'm
of
sorry.
my face.
Sorry, madam.
Get out!
I'm still alive. Now, it's my turn.
Silver.
I've come to show you how it's done.
Silver, this is my brother. Don't do that. He is the What? Silver, don't!
Silver, please.
Didn't you think I was the only daughter of my mother when you sent your boys after me to kill me?
Silver, you don't have to do this.
Silver, please. Please, I beg of you. Come on, it's your... I love you so much. Please, can you just drop the gun, please?
Silver.
Please. It's me, not so your love.
Don't.
Please.
Please.
I beg of you. Please drop it. Drop it. Please. I love you so much, please. Thank you.
Boss, is everything alright?
What are you two doing here?
We heard you shouting.
Shut up! I thought I asked you two to get out!
I'm sorry, boss.
Sorry for your dead parents. Get lost!
I'm sorry, boss.
Sorry, boss.
So this is her plan. This is Silver's plan.
Him so much. I love him. I can do this. No, I can do this. I love him.
Good morning. What is she doing here? Oh, sit down.
Mama, I asked again. What is she doing here? I want you to say to her face what you told me. She cannot marry Nonso. She can't be with him. Tell us why. Mama, she is dangerous. Tell us everything about her so that I will send her out of my house. What is annoying me is that she knows exactly what she is doing. She knows that if she gets married to my brother, this family will be reduced to nothing. I mean, in the history of this village, Mama, we will be the poorest. And she knows.
What are you saying? Mama, is she even making sense from what she's... Which family are you talking about? This same family? We are almost the poorest in this village. How can I marry a wealthy woman and me getting married to her will now make our already poorest in the village now poorest? Tell me.